How to change your Facebook page name. So for that purpose, head over to your Facebook application. Now, an amazing thing that Facebook has currently integrated is the fact that they've created a separate profile for all of your pages. So as you can see, I've logged into my account and I've switched onto my Facebook page. Now from here, what you're going to do is you're going to head over to settings and privacy. From here, you're going to head over to settings. And from here onto your settings section, you're going to search onto page name. Now here, a list of different settings are opened up, like the page status, page setup, page recommendation, page access, but you're going to go quickly click on name. This is the easiest way to head over to the name section. Now from here, you can change in your name from the name that you've given to the name you want to change. You can add and change in the name, but you have to keep in mind that you can change your name on Facebook only once in 60 days. Facebook is going to take a while to review your change. It's going to review the change for about 3 days, and then you're going to get notified and it's going to change your name. You can also add in other names such as a nickname or a birth date, or even like a name that's going to be showed on top of the page, as in like this is a preview. So guys, this is how you can quickly and easily change your name onto your Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this video helps.